Hello friends, welcome to another video by Visual Designers. Myself Dr. Dimple Dalal, and in this video we will continue our discussion on diarrhea. In this part 2 we will discuss how to prevent and manage diarrhea along with some effective homeopathic remedies on diarrhea. In the previous video we have discussed about what causes diarrhea and how it happens in our body. If you have not seen the part 1 of this video, you can click here to watch it. So without wasting any more time, let us see how to prevent and manage diarrhea.
Disclaimer. This video contains information on homeopathic remedy. The purpose of creating this video is to spread information and knowledge about this remedy. We strongly discourage any self-consumption of medicine without a qualified doctor's consultation.
So first of all, let us see how we can prevent diarrhea. There are a few ways you can decrease your chance of having diarrhea, such as avoiding infections with good hygiene habits, washing your hands with soap and water after using the bathroom, before and after preparing food. Next way is getting your vaccinations. Rotavirus, one of the cause of diarrhea, can be prevented with the rotavirus vaccine. This is given to infants in several stages during the first year of life. Another way is storing food properly. By keeping your food stored at the right temperatures, not eating things that have gone bad, cooking food to the recommended temperature, and handling all food safely, you can prevent diarrhea. Next is watching what you drink and eat. Travelers' diarrhea can happen when you drink water or other drinks that haven't been treated correctly. When in doubt, drink bottled water or something that has been boiled first, like coffee and tea. One should also be careful when trying local foods from street vendors, eating raw or undercooked fruits and vegetables. Now let us see what measures one can take for the management of diarrhea. The management of diarrhea can be divided into two sections. First section refers to the management of diarrhea through home care, and the second section deals with the management of diarrhea through indicated medicines for it. Let us first see how can one manage diarrhea through home care. In the case of simple short-term episodes of diarrhea, which usually clear up by themselves in healthy people, one will probably be able to manage their symptoms through home care. One should try to do the following. Rest at home. Stay off work or school until you have not had a loose bowel motion for 24 hours. Avoid fruit juice, cordials and sugary drinks as they will prolong the diarrhea. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Foods and drinks with caffeine include coffee, diet sodas, strong tea or green tea, and even chocolates. Manage your diet until you get back to normal. Instead of picking greasy, fatty or fried foods, go for the brat diet. Brat includes banana, rice, applesauce and toast. Avoiding foods and drinks that give you gas. If you experience cramping in your stomach with diarrhea, it could help to cut back on things that cause gas. This can include beans, cabbage, beer and carbonated beverages. Drink clear fluid or oral rehydration solution to replace lost fluids. Take small sips if you feel sick. Diarrhea may cause dehydration. More fluids are lost from the body when you have diarrhea than normally. Dehydration can lead to loss of electrolytes your body needs to function properly. This is why rehydration is so important. For older people and children, oral rehydration solutions are a better choice than plain water. They are made specifically to replace both fluids and electrolytes in the right concentration. Sometimes diarrhea can also make you lactose intolerant. This is usually temporary and it means that you need to avoid items with lactose, that is dairy products, until your diarrhea is gone. Let us now move to the second section of managing diarrhea, that is through indicated medicines. In this section, we will discuss some of the effective homeopathic remedies for diarrhea. There are many remedies for diarrhea in homeopathy, but here we will discuss some of the commonly used remedies only. So the first is Aloes Socotrina. It is an excellent remedy for diarrhea caused suddenly after eating and drinking. The patient has to hurry to the closet, driving the patient out of the bed early in the morning or immediately after eating and drinking. Before stool, the abdomen is distended with gas, causing a feeling of fullness and tightness with rumbling and gargling sound in the abdomen. During stool, there is cutting, gripping pain in the abdomen with much flatness. There is involuntary passing of stool. After stool, all the pain ceases, leaving profuse sweating and profound weakness. Second remedy is Arsenic Album. It is an excellent remedy for diarrhea caused due to food poisoning. There is nausea and vomiting with diarrhea. Patient cannot bear the sight or smell of food. There is dryness of mouth with great thirst. Patient drinks much water but little at a time. There is spasmodic colic with sensation as if the intestine become twisted with burning in abdomen. Stool is watery and bloody. Diarrhea is followed by great prostration. The patient is very much anguished, restless and has fear of death. Third remedy is carbobage. It is an excellent remedy for painful diarrhea of old people. Stool is watery, profuse, frequent and involuntary. Patient becomes very debilitated. There is cold sweat on the forehead with coldness of entire body. Fourth remedy is Croton Tiglium. It is an excellent remedy for diarrhea occurring in hot summer weather. Before stool, there is a swashing sensation in the intestine as from water. Colic before diarrhea. During stool, there is constant urging to stool followed by sudden evacuation. The bowels are moved as if by spasmodic jerks coming out like a shot. Stool is profuse and watery. The stomach is greatly distended with gargling in bowels. Diarrhea is followed by great prostration. Next remedy is Podophyllum. It is an excellent remedy for diarrhea in children during the time of dentition and diarrhea in summer. There is a loud gurgling in abdomen with gripping colic before stool. The stool is profuse and painless. After stool, there is great weakness and exhaustion. Another remedy is Veratrum Album. There is cutting pain in abdomen before stool. There is nausea and vomiting just after eating and drinking. There is violent vomiting with profuse diarrhea. There is intense unquenchable thirst for large quantity of cold water but is vomited as soon as swallowed. Stool is watery and profuse. During stool, there is colic in abdomen with cold sweat on forehead. After stool, there is great prostration. Profuse cold perspiration on forehead, extreme coldness, blueness and weakness is seen in the patient. So friends, this is all about diarrhea. If you have found value in this video, please don't forget to like and share it with others. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so now. Please provide your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye.